Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, when I'm recording this, it is my birthday. So, happy birthday to me and anybody else that was born on June 28th. So I have a Ipsy Glam Bag, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and a Boxycharm Premium. Usually I try to do a try on, but if I recall, there's not a whole lot of makeup, or not as much to do a full try on, and I'm running out of the month of June. So I wanted to go ahead and get this recorded so I can get it edited and out to you before July. So let's go ahead and get started with the Ipsy Glam Bag. Here is the bag for this month. There are two things outside of the bag. It's the Sue New York Pomegranate Grenade face mask and the Kiwi toning. This is Renew. This is toning. I know I've looked through all of these, but I'm having a hard time remembering what I got. First thing in here is from Benefit, the Professional Super Setter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. I'm actually happy to have a little tiny setting spray because I'm actually going to get to take a vacation at the beginning of August, and I think this would be great to give it a try because I'm going to a theme park, so I need something that will help my makeup stay on all day. Also, if you see something flashing, my light that's over on that side of the room, I think it's going to die. Next in here is from Pretty Vulgar. It's their concealer and it's super tiny, but it is their Undercover Concealer shade number 60. I don't think I'm going to be able to wear this as a concealer at all. I mean, it's a size. It is a shade 60. Okay, I could probably wear this like as a foundation. I got way too much out. It's not near as dark as I thought it would be. But I think now that I squared too much out, who knows what I can do with it, but I think I could get that by as a foundation. I'm going to put some on my chin here where I've lost some coverage from eating today. Yeah, I think I could use that as a foundation. I may have to put a little bit of my Makeup Revolution It's Really Pink stuff to help lighten it up a little bit, but I think it will work, but just definitely not as a concealer. Next in here is from Lottie London Slay All Day Long Wear Matte Liquid Lipstick. Man, if I would have remembered this was in here, I would have not put this on right before the video. It feels pretty like velvety. I know it says matte, but maybe it's like a matte that will move and not dry out, but that could be, I had like a pretty, it was a Huda can't say it, Huda Beauty Demi Matte, so it like still moved, kind of almost like a gloss really, so maybe, I don't know, this will dry down if it's supposed to. Okay, and the last thing in here is from Kismet Fashion Head to Toe. Fashion is head to toe. And I got this blush in Mimosa. It's called a Blossom Blush, but it is like very orange tone. Maybe, I don't know if you can hear my dog whining or not. Dutch! I'll be back. I think I was talking about this blush whenever I had to go check on my dog. I'm afraid it's going to be a little orange for me, but we'll see whenever I try it out in another video. Okay, oh, there was prices. Hold on. Okay, the full size of the Lottie London lip product is $6.49. That's not too bad for like a liquid lipstick. The Benefit spray, full size of that is $32. The sheet masks are $3 a piece. The full size of the Pretty Vulgar stuff is $24. And the full size of the blush is $20. That blush may be a full size, so that's pretty cool. Okay, let's go ahead and hop into the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Here is its bag, and of course the Ipsy Glam Bags Plus useless card. Okay, first thing in here is from Apto Skincare, Pomegranate Moisturizer Lotion Hydratante a la Grenade. Lightweight. Okay, so this is not, it says lotion, but it's not hand lotion. It is skin lotion. Because it says, every morning apply a small amount of moisturizer onto cleansed skin using gentle upward strokes moving from the neck up to the forehead. So I assume you use this on your face. I thought it whenever I was just looking over it, I thought it was like hand lotion. I'm glad it's more for your face and your hands. Next is from Sonage, I don't know. Glow to Go Glycolic Acid Peel Pads. This is a pretty good size. How many are in here? There's 30 in here. So I really like these kind of little exfoliating pads. This says instantly renew skin for a burst of radiance. So I like to use these, hello Duchess. I like to use these cleansing pads at night usually. What are you doing? Come here. Look at the camera. Oh, puppy. Hi. Want to do the next thing? Okay. Next in here are SL Miss Glam brushes. You want to smell? These are adorable, and I like the feeling of them. We have a precise eye brush. Do not jump down. A eye blender brush. Eyeshadow brush. Hold on. A tapered face brush. And a powder brush. Say goodbye. She's like, to what? Whiny. So whiny. And she's off. Okay, so these are very cute. I love SL Miss Glam brushes. My favorite one is this brush, the round blush brush. Amazing. Okay, next in here is from K-Voss Blushing Beauty Luminous Blush Palette. Okay, these shades are all very, very similar. I'm trying to find the right lighting for them. There we go. These two are like a little bit different, but they're both like shimmer shades. This one has like an undertone. This one is just kind of shimmery, and then this one is a matte, but they look very, very pretty. Please don't whine at me. Okay, and the last thing in here, I remember picking this out. Don't you pick? Oh, maybe I picked out 3 of these things. But this is Visart Petite Pro 2, and they are petite. Visart is expensive. Okay, I do like how they open up. And that is on this inside. I told you that they were petite. So we have like your neutral, a coral shade, brown, purple, and then 4 shimmers of different pinky purpley variations. So this might be a nice palette to take to Ohio with me. Good thing this is not a very long video because that dog is needy and really wants something. Okay, so that was everything in my Glam bag. Plus, I have no idea what it's worth at all. The last thing I have is my Boxycharm Premium, and I had to take it out of the box because it was filthy. And dust had gotten inside the box, and I had to wipe down everything. So, first thing I'm going to start with is my repeat product. I had gotten an email from them saying that I had gotten a repeat product, and so I had gotten like a $12 credit. So this is the Wonder Beauty Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate. I haven't had a chance to even use the other one, so now I have 2. Okay, next thing I'll put in my try-on stuff is Natasha Denona Transfer Matte Pore Vanishing Matte Foundation. And I got the shade 4Y Fair Yellow. I would have preferred it to be not yellow. But at least it's light and not dark. So we'll see. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Let's see. Can I use it to maybe chisel out here? I'm not going anywhere. It messes up. I've already been out for my birthday, so. Did I do anything? Did a little bit of a try on in this video. Ow. I kind of cleaned up some of what I did earlier. I am trying to just blend the rest of it into my skin with a sponge. And it is going into my skin like very nicely. I don't know if that camera will pick it up. But yeah, I like how that went into my skin. It's not sticky. So, interesting. Next in here is from Moroccan Oil. This is their Perfect Defense Thermal Protection Weightless Formula. So, Spray all over damp hair prior to any styling with heat. So just protect your hair from the heat. It smells good. It smells beachy, fresh, salty, that kind of stuff. Okay, next in here is another lip product. This is from Zoeva. This is the Pure Velours Lip Natural Aesthetic. And I got the shade Natural Aesthetic, which is very orangey to me. Is that almost the same color? No, this isn't. This has some other color in it. If this is the first time you've ever seen one of my videos, I'm not good with like picking out undertones and things that are inside of other colors to make them the way that they are that color. So forgive me. I think this is like a liquid lipstick. It's not like a, yeah, liquid matte lipstick. I didn't know those were even like a popular thing anymore. It's like gloss bonanza here lately. So I'll put this into my try on as well. This is the Daily Concepts Daily Body Scrubber. I'm not going to take this out right now because I have a body scrubber. I've gotten something like this before, except it was like a face one. And I think it was the same brand. So that's nice. Something different. And probably the scrubber would be good for like those bumps on the back of your arm. And getting dry not calluses, but just dry skin off. Okay, the last thing in here is from Dominique Cosmetics. It is a very large palette. It says it's a multi-use eye and face palette. It is called a transition palette. It is all mattes, but those pans are pretty big. This is like a pretty big size palette. But yeah, this is definitely a transition palette. I get that. And maybe even like some outer corner stuff. But this is very pretty. I really not show you my mess in the mirror. This is really pretty. There was something about it that just kind of caught my eye whenever it was time to pick. And I think I either have one or two. I think it's only one Dominique Cosmetics palette. So I was interested to try another one of her palettes. Boxycharm does put prices in their box. So the Dominique Cosmetic palette is $48. The Natasha Denona foundation is $45. The Wonder Beauty The Wonder Beauty Repair Concentrate is $68. The Moroccan Oil is $28. The Zoeva is $15. And the Daily Concept Body Scrubber is $18. That seems like stupid to me. Seems really high, in my opinion. I mean, I haven't looked at it yet. It feels like it's about this big. That seems a little pricey. So the total list box comes out to $222. I was actually kind of excited about these boxes. Like they were pretty good. I didn't really have a problem with any of them. I mean, would I prefer not to get a duplicate? Yes, but at least they made it right. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. I lost a follower. Tears. Okay, so help me hit 50 by the end of the year. I know that's only like a 17-person goal for 6 months, but make little goals. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye.